got somebody, she's a beauty, very special, really and truly. Take good care of me, like it's 30.
Period, girl.
Is on fire.
Best kept secret.
Grips on your waist, front way, back way. You know that I don't play. Streets not safe, but I never run away, even when I'm away. OT, OT, there's never much love when we go OT. I pray to make it back in one piece. I pray, I pray. That's why I need a one dance. I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking hold. Strength and guidance, all that I'm wishing for my friends. Nobody makes it from my ends. I had to bust up the silence. You know you gotta stick by me. Soon as you see the text, reply me. I don't wanna spend time fighting. We got no time, and that's why I need a one dance. I need a just one for the do. I'm on this one for the this one for the come on to that belly, mademoiselle. Your body calling me, and darling. Oh my baby, show my baby daily. Your booty body, they make a bad man get. I want to know.
See this life thing, yeah, it's all about understanding, bro. You gotta understand what you're doing. You need a direction, bro.
It's the way we live, you know that freedom.
So if you've now seen us for the first time, you have 20 years to catch up, right? Anybody supported Kesty Band 20 years? Bet until you fall in. If you party till the sunrise. Let's go! Right now it's time to get to know. There's no regrets, tomorrow never come. 'Cause this is my time to go. And every second's a blessing from above. It's like I'm feeling under control. Into new ways, I want to run. So listen, tell me, I'm not telling you before. No, oh no, I take a ride down low. Then I feel I'm right up slow. And take a track right till hard. And till I'm hard. So get wet, and I'm a bird. It could be hot sun low. And till I'm falling. I'm falling. I'm falling. I'm
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. I am heading out for brunch and I'm going to Authors. It's my first time going there. I heard their pancakes are really good, so I cannot wait to try it. If you guys are hearing a sound in the back, don't mind that. It's my AC. It is super hot today, so I'm gonna head out and I'll see you guys when I get to Authors. Alright, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. Alright guys, so we are back home. I really enjoyed the pancake. It was a cottage cheese pancake. My belly was so full, so I brought the rest home. We also went to Tran and got some lemonade. I got the strawberry lemonade. It was really good. It was so refreshing. I am gonna change my clothes and then I'll see you guys after finish changing up. Okay guys, so I'm back. I have a little bit of unboxing to do. I went to Toronto the ending of June to meet up with my friend, and I came back bearing gifts from my friends and my cousin as well. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. My first friend lives in the States, so she brought me 3 honey pots. This one is the bergamot rose, cucumber aloe, and this one is the prebiotic foaming wash. I never used a prebiotic foaming washes yet, so I'm excited to try this. I love honey pot. That's the only wash that I use for my hoo-ha. I don't know if it's here in Canada as yet. I always have to get it from the States. This is so good. She got me 2 of the Mike's hot honey. I opened one already. If I'm making a taco bowl, you can use it for anything. Pizza, fried chicken, cheese. They say tipa, I don't know about that. Salad, ice cream, fruit, roasted veggies, seafood, yogurt, ribs, oatmeal, and cocktails. This Mike Hot's honey is really good. Love it already. 3 tea tree hot scrubs. This one is the which flavor? Passion fruit. Let me smell, y'all. The passion fruit smells really good. The pina colada, I used it before, so I know it smells good as well. I love anything coconut, pineapple. And the Moroccan rose. This one smells really good as well. It's really good. Yeah. Also, summer is here and I wanted to try the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Shimmer Radiance Body Oil, and let me tell you, this right here, I tried it already because we went out, and this is really good. I love it. I love it. I'll show you guys. I'll put some on my hand, just a little bit because I don't want to waste it, so you guys can see the shimmer. Let me see that? Pretty. That glow, it's giving that glow, y'all. And we went to Mango. It was $50. It went on sale for $30, and that day we got it for 20 bucks. Super cute. Okay, let me try it on, y'all. I like it. Period, girl. Period, girl. It's cute. Yeah. She got me a Don Julio.
Hey! Let me get some of that Don Julio hoe up there.
We also went to Zara and I got myself this cute heels. Super cute. Love, love, love. I love these heels. They are really cute. They also have it in gold, so I don't know as yet. Maybe I'll get myself the gold one. I got some seasoning, 3 of this Badia seasoning. This one is lime pepper, orange pepper, and mango pepper. Cannot wait to use them. What else, y'all? What else? My cousin also got me this bag. Super cute. It comes with a chain on the side, but I took it out. But yeah, cute bag. And she also got me this big size 24 ounce of the Mike's Hot Honey. Stock up for days. I have 3 of those Mike Hot Honey that will last me for a while. Hold on, guys. My phone is ringing. Hello? Hello? So I'm back. My other friend got me these 2 books right here. Atomic Habits. I saw this book in Winners, so if you guys are interested in getting it, it was 20 bucks. Good Vibes, Good Life. Oli Happy Hoo-Ha Probiotics. I heard it is really good, and the girls are using probiotics for their hoo-ha. I tried it already. The pills are big. They're big. But yeah, they're manageable. They're manageable. So yeah, that's about it, guys, for my little unboxing. Today they also have the Taste of the Caribbean at Old Port. I wanted to go, but I don't think I'm gonna go because it's too hot outside. I just want to stay home because I have work in the morning, so I'm not gonna go. I'm gonna cook something so I can have lunch for tomorrow, and yeah, that's about it. I know I haven't been posting, guys. I've been busy, really busy, so I'm trying to get back in my posting schedule. I'm gonna close the vlog. Before I leave, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and also click that notification bell so you guys will be notified every time I upload a video. And with that being said, I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye.